You gotta tell them.
What's that?
Yes, I do. Hey guys, Jungle Jerry here with Tiki71. One of these days we're going to get back to finishing the old chainsaw bearer, but for now, I just got something new in for Kiwi Kate's car. You know what puddle lights are? When you open the doors of like a Challenger or other vehicles, they have illumination lights that shine on the bottom. Right now she just got plain lights, but this is going to be something extra special. It's going to put a little logo on the concrete whenever she opens the door. I've got two sets. Let's set them up. For this, you're only going to need a screwdriver. And we're going to get right down here. Right there. That's what we're going to pop out. Those are the stock puddle lights. And we're going to put something different in. With this kit, they actually give you a left side and a right side. Don't necessarily trust it, so before I pop it in all the way, I am going to double check it, but let's get them in. What I gotta do here is use this little screwdriver and ooh, that gets pretty warm too. Now at this point we're just gonna pop that out there. I'm gonna take this left side one here and plug it in. And then we're going to verify. I'm going to get you a night shot, but this will kind of give you an idea what it's going to look like now. And now we just feed it right back up in here. And we got that little tab right there. And we are good to go. And we'll go do the other side. Yeah. And as I do with all of my stock stuff, I'm going to save those. And if I ever need them, I'll have them. That's pretty cool. But guys, if you found this helpful, I hope I've earned your subscription. If you would hit that sub button and the bell notification, thumbs up is a huge help as well. And the biggest help of all is when you comment down below and share the video. If you found this helpful, you like it, you think somebody else might like it, just slap the snot out of that share button there. Just slap it. Also, I've got an ever-growing playlist full of modifications that I'm doing to Kiwi Kate's GT Challenger. It's a 2021 model, and we're doing quite a bit of stuff. Guys, we do appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.